that the police? YouTube, what's up, y'all, man? Little late night. Say this is a little late night POV, man. I had a video to drop today, but everybody flopped on me. I was gonna host a little ride out for y'all, man. It's cool though. We're gonna get it in. I gotta get back on that grind, man. Just a little POV for y'all. I ain't gonna lie, with this camera off, bro, I'll be on some other type of time. When this camera on, it's just like, it'd be hard for me to really, like, you know what I mean? Good God. I hope y'all can hear that shit, bro. Damn. Another city, y'all. I ain't nowhere near home right now. Oh, is that the police? Definitely the police. This is definitely not the place I want to be right now. We definitely gonna get out of here. I gotta get some gas in somewhere, y'all. I think I know what gas station I'm gonna go to. POVs, brother. Trying to make sure I'm recording, y'all. Yeah, we running. If the video a little cricket, man, I'm so sorry. You feel me? Let me get some gas real quick for y'all, man. Oh yeah, baby. Time to get some gas, baby. Oh, y'all think I'm playing. Y'all finna get a real good POV. Big 93, man. People probably looking at me crazy. I got this big old foam mount on my head. I ain't gonna put too much in here, man. Just enough to get around. I ain't trying to be extra. Little 20 ball. Receipt. See, I hear something on that side of town. I got my brand right here. Copycat. Yeah. Man, you already rich, young boy. You don't need no more. You don't need my money. Even though I ain't getting paid yet. Let's see where we can go, y'all. I wish my shit would pop wise, like in first year too. Boy. I don't know why I came this way. Riding my butt? Like, what you riding my butt for? Maybe you're just a basic bitch. Gone. To get my hands on that Z01 for my birthday, man, but it's gonna take a lot of saving and a lot of, you know what I mean? So we definitely gonna turn around right here. I'm getting farther and farther away from home, y'all. If we can play with this Mustang right here, I'm gonna see where he going. I'm trying to get some action for y'all tonight, man. Y'all hear that Mustang? Oh my God. That is the Terminator. Y'all, I'm gonna try to get y'all some action with this Mustang. Good God, that bitch, man, that bitch breathing. Trying to see if I can get him to do something for y'all. God. What the fuck you doing all that for? This Venom. The fuck? I'm a driver, bro. That shit don't mean nothing, all that noise. I just ran into a Mustang, one of them old Terminator motherfuckers. That bitch whistling, whining, and all. I just raced that nigga, bruh. You, man, bruh. How the fuck did I beat that nigga, bruh? I got it on video. I'm vlogging, bruh. I mean, I'm doing POV right now. I slid and everything, bruh. I think he was sliding too, but once I got in front of his ass, he couldn't come back. I'm getting a crazy POV. I don't think he want to try it no more. There's no way I just beat that fucking car, bro. And his girl was with him. It's no way I just beat that shit, though. I'm back, y'all. I think we got another victim tonight. I promise I hope y'all ain't cricket, man. That's gonna piss me off, bro. If y'all cricket, bro, I'm sorry, bro. him up like that. He ain't ready for that shit for real. I ain't scared of no C8. Okay. I'll walk that motherfucker. I'll walk that motherfucker. I'll walk that motherfucker, boy. The fuck, nigga? A C8 getting walked by SS? A C8 getting walked by SS? Don't play with me. Should I race him? It might beat me, y'all. Let's see if I get a race in. I'm driving this bitch, though, I promise you. Leave his ass, watch this. Oh, shit. He can't race, y'all. I am a driver, I promise y'all. It ain't about the car. My word. Sorry, y'all, I get too turned. Y'all seen I let him get in front of me. Shit. Bro, this car ain't, bro. This car bone stock, y'all. Yeah, I'm finna go ahead and slide to the crib. Police so hot tonight, y'all. Man, YouTube, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. And make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment if you want to. You don't have to, but yeah, like the video, subscribe. I'm finna bring y'all more footage, bro. I needed this tonight. I'm gonna catch y'all, man. Peace.